So what are the problems that you face in these industrial estates?
See, then there are, see, as such, we have a few things which I just want to tell. First is the availability of the manpower. We are the remote from the main heartline of the Goa. So to get the right quality manpower is a big task now. See, manpower is available, but quality manpower, that's one.
Skilled labor.
Skilled labor. Skill and knowledgeable. That's most important. So, and second part now, as far as IDC is concerned, now we can just see this is for mainly this facility. This site is for exports. For 40 feet container has to come inside, has to go out also, and roads are very narrow. Even we are finding it very difficult to maneuver the containers. And our expectation is almost 1 to 2 containers per day. Even in the recent past, we had a customer who want to do almost every day one container, one customer, so you can imagine. So we said not possible because roads are very narrow. That's one part. And currently what we are doing now, we are getting the containers for the mainly for materials or machines. We are getting in the night when the entire petne is shut down. Otherwise it's very difficult. That's one. Third thing now is water availability. It's another criteria. We need water because our process, which is very difficult. So we depend, and IDC promise it will, they will be able to provide, even they are just providing 5 to 10 KL per day. Whereas our requirement is go around 110 to 150 today. But that's only just with the 10-20% production. When I'm going full scale, my requirement is around 300 KL.
It will go up.
It will go up 300 to 400 KL per day. So this we have been communicating with the government and our local MLA and other people and IDC as well. They are taking initiative, but it takes time. So these are the three major things which I feel there are a lot of activity to be done by the government to support that.
As you have mentioned, the containers, it is difficult to enter the main industry. So also there are lines or the wires that gives problems for the containers to enter. So I have
to maneuver the container to come inside also is a big task. You might have seen the roads are quite narrow, especially 40 feet container. Smaller trucks, yes, we can do that. But we have to do the factory stuffing from here because instead of taking it to Mumbai or this one, we have to do the straight factory stuffing so it can go from Mumbai or Goa as our customer wants.
Is the current power supply sufficient for your industry?
Power situation is good, but thing is power outages are more. So what is happening every now and then we have to start the generator. That's another matter of concern. And another problem, see, we have put a lot of UPS, not it is 120 kVA and 80 kVA, almost 300 kVA we have UPS inside because our instruments are running in crores. So it cannot take these outages, especially what we have seen in during rainy season, there are outages. And not only that, incoming feeder from to Kolwale, when it gets affected, though we have put a direct line from the substation, still we get outages because substation is getting affected. So we are also getting outages for that. This is another matter of concern. But thing is, we have a backup. Which within 3 minutes it starts. But we have to run on DG, which is expensive because of diesel.
What about the labor shortage is there?
Skilled labor is a matter of concern because this site has been for the regulated markets like Europe and US. So we have to get the right type of manpower with the quality mindset. I can take anyone, but thing is, they are handling machines and the products worth in crores. So what I've been doing once I took over, we are trying to train the local manpower. See, we have got an apprentice scheme now. We are roped in, and then we have been doing that. So those who get that right mindset, we absorb. So few people we absorbed on our direct roles. So that we are doing, and we are continuing to do because we are just, as I told you, we just started. It's 10 to 15% production. maybe a year down the line, it should touch around 50 to 60.
So, as it is an industry, so is there any fire safety measures that is taking?
Yeah, because ours is all have been we are taking care not only fire, because we have chemicals. Apart from that, dust. So everything has been taken care, and we have, especially in the warehouse, we got a highly automated warehouse with a robotic. So where we have called VESDA, that is very early smoke detection system. That's one of the first done in Goa. So that is there. But we have sprinklers in QC because we are handling a lot of hazardous waste, hazardous chemical, and also there also we have. But otherwise also we have smoke detection system, fire alarm system across all the rooms. So it's not that this fire safety is compromised. So that is taken care.
How many years you have been here, sir?
See, I'm almost now 2.5 years. So when I just came, it was just under commissioning stage, and I'm quite happy that in the last 1 year we got the approval from US, and then we got from Europe, and we are starting Europe supply from this month. So, and next 2 to 3 months, I think we should be able to start for US as well.
Great, sir. All the best for your future, sir. Thank you.